Today it's August 22, 2025 at 11:37, and we are in the house of Golden Garfield Alem. This address is 6716 Terra Alta Drive, Lana, Maryland. Zip code is 20706. The claim number is 2085 S and Sam 997 S and Sam. And if you see, that's the front view of the house. This is the street right here. You see, that's the street, and this is the house. We know the rear slope is already approved. It's already approved, the rear slope. Today, we're gonna explain you why should be the full replacement of this slope on the lower and also on the main house. If you will see in it right here, we have a 2-layer shingle. That's the first point. And when we're removing the ridge cap, if we see in it, we have underlayment. If we have an underlayment, the underlayment, they gotta be overlapped 6 inches on this side and 6 inches on the other side. And it's really impossible to just do the roof on one side and the other side, because we need to overlap the felt. If you see, we need to overlap this side and that side due to the IRC 2018. And if you have a 6 inches, that's the 6 inches on this side. When we're removing this roof, we need to remove this shingle cap. When we remove the shingle cap, what's gonna happen is we gotta overlap the felt until here. If we, like today, if I'm trying to remove one ridge cap, like on this side right here, this one is already removed. But if we go under this one, you see that the ridge cap is already removed. If we remove it, and I'm gonna remove it so you can see how is that overlap. This is existing. Remove this. When we remove the ridge cap, sometimes it's really impossible to do it. When we remove the ridge cap, it's not only that, the shingle, it's all toasted and it gets damaged. When we're gonna remove this one, that's how we remove it. And this one, remember, you gotta apply on the main house and also on the lower slope. If we see, this shingle, it's overlapped on this side. Right now, when I'm gonna remove like one shingle, I'm trying to show you the existing of this shingle. It's another one more, and I think we're good. Okay, trying to remove it carefully. One more. You see, when the shingles gets damaged like this, that's the way, like we say, it's impossible to do the repair. And if you see, it's another layer on this shingle, and due to the IRC, if you see, it's another shingle ridge cap right here. And to do that, we need to remove this shingle down to the decking due to the IRC. And if we remove that down to the decking, what's going to happen with this one? If we see all of the damages right here, all the holes it's going to create, it's not only that, it's going to we're going to see about the reach cap. You're going to see, we'll remove this. This is another reach cap. And then we gotta remove this reach cap, and this shingle now, it's really old, and it's impossible to do the repair when it's a shingle. This one is been over. If you've seen it right here, the other shingle is overlapped. It's not only that. It's if you see this one, it's gonna get cracked. You see. And then the other shingle under it, and it's gonna be impossible to do the repair only on one side. The main point is it's 2 layer, because you gotta remove the other layer. How we're gonna overlap it, and it's impossible. This one is the same thing with the main roof. This is the main roof, and this one we need to overlap it, and it's impossible. My suggestion on this one is a full roof replacement. We're gonna add on our estimate this slope and this slope, and it's not only that. If you see the flashing, you see the flashing, we're gonna remove the flashing, and then to remove the flashing, we need to remove this siding. The siding, we're gonna remove it. I'm gonna put that one on our estimate. So this is the flashing, it needs to remove that. My suggestion on this one is full roof replacement, like I say, but I can go on the main house, and let me see if I can go on the main house. Okay, that's the same thing on the main house. You see the reach cap right here. We need to remove the reach cap. This is the wind damage, and that's the same thing we're gonna do on this one. We're just gonna add this one on the supplement, on the estimate, I say, and this one too. That's the one. And due to the IRC, we gotta follow up that one. Thank you so much, and have a great day.